Within our Forestry Commission fabrication shop, we're responsible for building fire trucks, handling all frontline equipment that needs to be repaired. My name is Ken Keuper. I'm the Fabrication Shop Supervisor. It's been asked of us by the VECTR Center of Warner Robins, Georgia, to partner with them in a job shadowing project. We have taken our full-time fabrication welders and given them the opportunity to be crew leaders. So the 10 students that I have from the VECTR Center, we've divided them up, assigned them a crew leader.
It gives them a place to come and get practical on-site learning. So if they're in here welding, we can kind of give them some tips and tricks that we know, and they can learn from that.
Oh, welding's fun. It's like a little video game challenge every time, just being under the hood, just the tint just changes the color of the spark, and you're just laying down beads, and it's awesome.
This experience that we're doing is going to help giving us confidence basically and being able to weld on something different than just what we do in class.
I think it's really important that they're here learning this trade itself, because welders and fabricators especially are in high demand.
I kind of want to make it into a business, so whatever I take from here and from school, I can incorporate it back home, and what I learn here is valuable.
This is hands-on, real deal work these guys are handling, so it's a win-win situation for both teams.